fire trucks. Large blower fire truck. The large blower fire truck helps firefighters maintain visibility and safety while combating fires, especially in enclosed spaces like buildings and tunnels. Ladder fire truck. The ladder fire truck is primarily used in situations where elevated access is necessary, such as rescuing people from high floors of buildings, accessing rooftops, and directing water streams from a height to control fires. Its extendable ladder and robust design make it an essential tool for modern firefighting efforts. Water cutter fire truck. The water cutter fire truck is primarily used in scenarios where precision and speed are crucial. The high-pressure water cutter can cut through walls, doors, and other barriers, enabling rapid entry and rescue. This technology is particularly useful in situations where traditional tools may be too slow or ineffective. Pumper fire engine. Pumper is a type of fire truck primarily designed to transport firefighters and equipment to the scene of an emergency. Its key feature is a powerful water pump, then delivers this water at high pressure through hoses to extinguish fires. Pumper are equipped with various firefighting tools and safety gear. Mobile lighting vehicle. A mobile lighting vehicle is a specialized vehicle designed to provide portable, high-intensity lighting for emergency scenes, construction sites, and other areas where additional illumination is required. These vehicles are essential for ensuring safety and visibility in low-light conditions, enabling effective operations. Aerial platform fire truck. An aerial fire truck is a fire truck equipped with an extendable ladder or platform designed to reach high places. Aerial platform fire trucks are crucial for accessing tall buildings, performing high-angle rescues, and providing elevated streams of water to combat fires effectively. Super Ranger Mobility Towing Work Vehicle. The Super Ranger Mobility Towing Work Vehicle is a robust and versatile vehicle designed for heavy-duty towing and various work applications. It boasts a powerful towing capacity, enabling it to haul large vehicles and equipment with ease. Its all-terrain mobility ensures that it can navigate rough and uneven surfaces, making it ideal for challenging environments. All-Terrain Vehicle Red Salamander. The All-Terrain Vehicle Red Salamander is like the superhero of off-road vehicles. It's built tough to handle any rough terrain you throw at it. Perfect for emergency crews and rescue missions, it gets where other vehicles can't, making it a real lifesaver in tricky situations. It is ideal for emergency services and tough terrain navigation, ensuring reliable operation in critical situations. Firefighting Robot System, Scrum Force. The Firefighting Robot System, Scrum Force, is an advanced technological solution designed to enhance firefighting capabilities. Robots that can enter hazardous environments, assess fires, and deploy firefighting tactics autonomously. These robots, equipped with advanced sensors and tools, are designed to navigate through smoke and debris, making them invaluable in situations too dangerous for humans. The Scrum Force system ensures swift response and enhances overall firefighting efficiency, ultimately saving lives and protecting property with cutting-edge robotic precision. Rescue Work Vehicle. The Rescue Work Vehicle is your go-to hero for tough jobs. It's designed for all sorts of rescue missions, from pulling vehicles out of sticky situations to reaching remote places in emergencies. This vehicle is tough as nails and equipped with everything needed to get the job done swiftly and safely. Fire Chief Car. The Fire Chief Car is the commander's wheels of the firefighting world. It's not just a vehicle. It's a mobile command center equipped with all the tools and communication gear needed to lead firefighting operations. From directing crews at the scene to coordinating with other emergency services, this car ensures that everything runs smoothly during emergencies. Fire Bureau Base Functional Formable Truck. The Fire Bureau Base Functional Formable Truck is a versatile vehicle designed for various firefighting tasks. It's like a customizable toolbox on wheels for firefighters, equipped to handle different emergency scenarios. From carrying equipment to providing command and control functions, this truck is crucial in ensuring effective response and coordination during firefighting operations. Hyper Mist Blower. The Hyper Mist Blower is a cutting-edge firefighting tool that uses a powerful mist to quickly extinguish fires. It's like a supercharged sprayer that blasts out fine mist, covering fires effectively and swiftly. This high-tech device is essential for firefighters, helping them to tackle flames efficiently and keep communities safe. Airport Crash Tender. An airport crash tender is like the heavy-duty superhero of fire trucks. It's specially designed to handle emergencies at airports, equipped with powerful water cannons and foam systems to quickly extinguish aircraft fires. These trucks are built tough, with reinforced chassis and large capacities for water and foam, ensuring they can tackle even the most intense fires effectively. Next one, Street Vehicle. Street Vehicle. Taxi. A taxi is a car for hire that transports passengers to their chosen destinations for a fare. Taxis can be hailed on the street, booked by phone, or via an app. They are convenient for getting around cities and towns when you don't have your own vehicle. Container truck. A container truck is a vehicle designed to carry large shipping containers. These containers can be easily loaded and unloaded, making it efficient for transporting goods over long distances. Container trucks are commonly used in logistics to move cargo from ports to warehouses or other destinations. Police car. A police car is a vehicle used by law enforcement officers. It's equipped with sirens and flashing lights to respond quickly to emergencies. Police cars are designed to be fast and durable, helping officers patrol areas, catch criminals, and keep communities safe. Fire engine. A fire engine is a truck used by firefighters to respond to fires and emergencies. It carries equipment like hoses, ladders, and water tanks. Fire engines are designed to quickly get firefighters to the scene and provide the tools they need to put out fires and save lives. Ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle used to transport sick or injured people to the hospital. It is equipped with medical supplies and equipment and often has paramedics on board to provide emergency care on the way. Ambulances have sirens and flashing lights to move through traffic quickly. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a vehicle used to collect and transport household waste and trash. It has a large container at the back for holding garbage and a mechanism to lift and empty trash bins into the truck. Garbage trucks help keep our communities clean by taking waste to disposal sites. Mail truck. A mail truck is a vehicle used to deliver letters and packages. It has compartments to keep the mail organized and secure. Mail trucks travel through neighborhoods and business districts, ensuring that everyone receives their mail regularly. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled vehicle powered by an engine. It's known for its speed and agility, making it great for quick and efficient travel. Motorcycles are often used for commuting, recreation, and racing. Sport utility vehicle. A sport utility vehicle SUV is a larger vehicle with higher ground clearance and often all-wheel drive. It's designed for both city driving and off-road adventures. SUVs offer spacious interiors, ample cargo space, and a higher seating position, making them popular for families and outdoor enthusiasts. School bus. A school bus is a vehicle used to transport students to and from school. It is typically yellow and has safety features like flashing lights and stop signs to ensure children's safety. School buses provide a reliable way for students to get to their classes every day. Airplane. An airplane is a vehicle that flies in the sky, carrying passengers and cargo over long distances. It has wings and engines that provide lift and thrust, allowing it to travel quickly between cities and countries. Airplanes are commonly used for travel, business, and transporting goods. Pickup truck. A pickup truck is a vehicle with an open cargo area at the back. It is useful for transporting goods, tools, and other large items. Pickup trucks are popular for their durability and versatility, making them ideal for both work and personal use. Food truck. A food truck is a mobile kitchen that sells food and drinks. It usually parks in busy areas like streets, parks, or events, serving a variety of meals and snacks. Food trucks are popular for their convenience and the unique, tasty dishes they offer. Transit recovery truck. A transit recovery truck is a vehicle used to tow and recover other vehicles that have broken down or been in accidents. It is equipped with tools and mechanisms to lift and transport damaged or disabled vehicles to repair shops or safe locations. These trucks are essential for roadside assistance and clearing traffic incidents. Bicycle. A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle that you pedal to move. It's powered by your legs and doesn't use any fuel. Bicycles are great for exercise, commuting short distances, and enjoying leisure rides. Sightseeing bus. A sightseeing bus is a bus designed for tourists to explore a city or tourist attractions. It often has big windows for great views and might include a guide or audio commentary to provide information about the sites. Sightseeing buses help visitors see popular landmarks and get an overview of the area. City bus. A city bus is a public transportation vehicle that travels within a city to pick up and drop off passengers. It follows set routes and schedules, making it a convenient option for getting around town for daily commutes or errands. City buses are typically used by residents to travel between neighborhoods, work, and other local destinations. Minivan. A minivan is a vehicle designed for families, with spacious seating for 7 or 8 passengers. It has sliding doors for easy access and ample cargo space for luggage, groceries, and other items. Minivans are popular for their comfort and practicality, making them ideal for family trips and daily commutes.
Returning a figure of 14 kilometers per liter.
Sedan. A sedan is a type of car with 4 doors and a separate trunk. It's designed for comfort and can usually seat 4 or 5 people. Sedans are popular for daily driving because they offer a smooth ride and good fuel efficiency. Hello, car.
よろしくお願いします。